Robot pool cleaners have become essential for maintaining sparkling pools with minimal effort. They save time, extend pool life gear, and improve water chemistry by consistently removing debris from floors, walls, and water lines. This comparison examines 5 cordless robotic pool cleaners across a price range of $274.99 to $419.99, representing budget to premium options.
List number 1. Wybot Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools. Wybot delivers a 4-in-1 cleaning solution designed for in-ground pools with a lightweight chassis and triple motor propulsion. It claims 45-degree slope capability, 3D obstacle avoidance, and a 120 to 150-minute runtime on a single charge, suitable for pools up to 1,614 square feet. The 180 micrometer mesh top-load filter aims to trap fine debris, while dual PVC rollers with tile grip tech support wall and waterline cleaning. Connectivity includes Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, offering 5 cleaning modes and customizable S-path floors, routes, and N-path walls. The 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support round out the value proposition. In practice, the combination of a powerful triple motor drive and upgraded suction appears to deliver robust dirt capture, particularly on tessellated or mosaic surfaces where grip and traction matter for edge cleaning. The 120 to 150-minute runtime aligns with mid-size in-ground pools, but for larger spaces, you'll likely need a second cycle. The 180 micrometer basket design minimizes filter maintenance frequency, though access to the top-load basket is essential for quick rinsing. The app/Wi-Fi control adds convenience, but may introduce slight latency during route optimization, especially on complex shapes. Overall, Wybot is strong in coverage and debris handling, with solid support backing.
List number 2. X5 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Pondi's X5 offers cordless operation with 5,500 GPH suction from 3 brushless motors, enabling strong debris pickup and efficient cleaning of floors, walls, and water lines. This smart precision docking feature ensures the cleaner returns to a preset pickup point, reducing retrieval hassle. It supports 4 cleaning modes: auto, wall only, floor only, and classic, and claims a maximum pool size of 3,229 square feet with up to 180 minutes runtime. The unit uses upgraded Caterpillar tracks and PVC rollers for surface versatility, and has a 2-year warranty with round-the-clock support. Real-world use shows excellent coverage thanks to smart navigation and the multi-mode options, especially in larger, irregular pools where preset docking reduces downtime. The 2.5-hour quick recharge minimizes downtime between cycles, making it suitable for households with frequent cleaning needs. However, as a cordless model, battery degradation over time may affect long-term runtime, and some users report variability in docking accuracy on very complex geometries. The 5,500 GPH suction is competitive in this segment, delivering noticeable debris removal for leaves and sand, though microscopic grit may require multiple passes on very dirty water lines.
List number 3. BeatBot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. BeatBot's AquaSense 2 elevates cordless cleaning with a 10,000 mAh battery, offering up to 4 hours of floor cleaning and about 3.5 hours on walls, waterline, for pools up to 3,230 square feet. It features smart surface parking, one-click app parking, double-pass waterline scrubbing, and a 4-core CPU with 16 sensors, including 2 ultrasonic, for clever navigation with S-path floors and N-path walls waterline. The unit ships with a wireless charging dock and offers a 3-year full replacement protection plan, a notable differentiator in consumer confidence. Weight is 27 pounds, indicating a heftier build designed for robust cleaning sessions. In usage, AquaSense 2 tends to excel in edge and corner coverage due to 4 guide wheels and precise path optimization, which reduces missed spots. The double-pass waterline scrubbing is particularly effective against grime buildup in the waterline. The 3-year replacement program is a standout risk mitigator for buyers wary of longer-term reliability. Some users may find the higher weight and premium dock setup more cumbersome for retrieval in tight corners, and the price, while premium, depends on discounting for perceived value.
List number 4. iGarden Pool Cleaner K36. iGarden K36 delivers up to 5810 GPH suction, powered by a turbine-grade impeller and 3 brushless motors with Turbo 200 mode for peak output. Runtime reaches 220 minutes for floor-only cleaning or 150 minutes for full floor, wall, waterline cleaning, supporting pools up to 3,814 square feet. It features AI navigation with OTA upgrades, smart 3D S-shaped path planning, and a full touchscreen control with app pairing for scheduling. The 4-liter debris basket traps fine debris, and auto parking assists retrieval, with a 3-year warranty and 30-day return window. The K36 stands out for its high suction and AI-driven path optimization, offering long run times and OTA updates that help it stay current. The touchscreen interface is a plus for quick control, and the 4-liter basket reduces maintenance interruptions. Some potential downsides include a relatively heavier build and a premium warranty that may not justify the price for casual users. The 3-year full replacement protection is compelling for budget-conscious purchasers seeking longevity.
List number 5. Pool vacuum for in-ground pools. Zyarch offers a cordless, all-surface capable cleaner with 180-watt brushless motor, delivering up to 4,800 GPH suction and 4 cleaning modes: floor, wall, waterline, and all cover. It targets in-ground pools up to 2,100 square feet and claims 180 minutes runtime with a 4-hour recharge. The charger and auto parking features enable effortless retrieval, and the unit is designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools, with a 4WD traction system and PVC brushes for diverse surfaces. The 15-pound weight makes it comparatively lighter in this group. In practice, Zyarch presents a value-centric option with solid suction and practical 4-mode versatility. The 4WD traction and material choices make it capable on tile, vinyl, and glass mosaics. However, the datasheet lacks explicit app features or upgrade paths, and battery capacity appears to be a single-cell configuration with typical runtime expectations. For budget-conscious buyers who still want reliable maintenance cleaning, Zyarch offers a credible mix of performance and affordability.